Hi, I'm Anthony from Visit Stockton, and today I'm going to walk you through how to download and use the Stockton Savings Pass. To begin, on your mobile device, go to StocktonSavingsPass.com. Scroll down until you see the yellow box that says Stockton Savings Pass and click Sign Up for Free. In the next window, click Checkout and fill out the information form. Be sure to use an accessible email address and phone number, as this is where the link will be sent to. Once you've received your email or text, click the link to view your pass. This will open the Stockton Savings Pass into your web browser. For one-tap easy access to your pass on an Apple device, click Share and Add to Home Screen, and then click Add. On an Android device, click Options and Install App, and then click Install. After a few moments, the pass will be downloaded to your home screen. From here, you'll be able to see all the local businesses included with your pass and all their offers. In the menu, you could also sort by category. When you're ready to redeem your offer, head down to the business and present your phone to a staff member. They will then verify and redeem your offer. Please note that the offers are only valid in person, so don't click redeem until you're actually inside the business. Be sure to check your pass for updates, as businesses and new deals are added regularly. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and be sure to tag Visit Stockton as you explore the wonderful offers and deals in our city.